Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is Teacher Adawiyah. Alright, so for math today, since you guys learned division last time, this week even, right? We learned about division last week and this week. This is just a continuation from division. Okay, like I told you, division is just the reverse version of multiplication. So you need to be very good in multiplication first. Okay, for example, this chapter next after the division with leftover. Okay, topic 15, dividing by 2 and 3. What does it mean by 2 and 3? Meaning table 2 and table 3. Okay, so that's what I meant by reverse version of multiplication. Alright, now let's go back to table 2 and table 3. Okay, if you still remember table 2 and table 3. Okay, I'll make it bigger so you can see it better. Right. So, for example, table 2. So, table 2, do you still remember? 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, and the list goes on and on. So we know in table 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Okay, alright, so if you can see here, alright, we've learned about the different word in division, which is the dividend, divisor, and quotient. Alright, so for division, okay, for division, like I told you, the reverse version is like this. That is timetable, right? Okay, so for division, it will be just the other way around. For example, if 2 divided by okay, wait, 2 equals 1. I'll just write down later. 2 divided equal 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Okay, let me draw the symbol as we don't have the symbol here. Alright, that's the division symbol. Alright, as you can see, this 1, 2, 2 going this way, but for division, 2 to 1, the reverse version is just going this way. See, that's what I meant by the reverse version of multiplication. Okay, so you don't have to worry about finding the answer and whatsoever, because the answer is in the multiplication table. Okay, something like that. Alright, okay, I will put this here I will put in the class dojo so you can take a look again. Alright, now let's get back to our book. Alright, make sure you have your math pupils book. Alright, we're going to learn about dividing by 2 and 3. Now let's go through page 169. Okay, 169, this one. Alright, 169. Alright, let's recall. Start with 1 times 2 equals 2. Take turns to say multiplications up to 10 times 2. Alright, same thing. I did multiplication just now. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 3, 5 times 2, and the list go on until 10 times 2. You'll see why. Because it's just the reverse version of multiplication. Okay, you don't have to be confused about it. Alright. Okay, so now we have 10. If you remember in table 2, see, table 2, we have 10. But what times 2 equals 10? It's 5. Okay, but in this page, it will make you see better with pictures. Okay, so there are 5 balls in each basket. How many balls are there in 2 baskets? So we want to divide 5 balls into each 2 basket. So 5 and 5. So let me open in Paint. Alright, so 5 plus 5, meaning 2 times of 5. 5 plus another 5, which makes 10. Okay, same thing. 2 times 5 equals 10. Make 2 equal group. Equal means there's no leftover. No leftover means equal group. Okay, so you can divide 1 here, 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here, 5 here, 5 here. So equal, no leftover. So there are 10 balls in 2 baskets. Divide 10 balls equally into 2 baskets. How many balls are there in each basket? See, you can see there 5 goes into each 2 baskets. Okay, so there's the symbol division, a line and a 2 dots. Okay, so 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You might want to write down that 2, let me make it a bit thicker so you can see it better. 2 times 5 equals 10. Same thing. This one goes here, this one goes here. 2, 5, 10. 10, 2, 5. Sama je. Same thing. Or 5 times 2 equals 10. Same. Okay, you might want to write this down in your book. Okay, alright. Now, let's go to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna go this quick. Alright, so now we are doing number 2. There are 2 toy cars in each box. How many toy cars are there in 4 boxes? So 2 times 4, that's it. 4 times 2, same thing. Alright, so in each box, in each 4 boxes have 2 toy cars. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so you write here 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Okay, same thing like saying 4 of 2 equal 8. Same thing. Okay, and in division, you want to divide it. You want to divide 8 cars, 8 toy cars into 4 boxes. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 equal 4, or 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Same thing. Okay, it won't change a bit. Okay, so you write there 4 times 2 equals 8. Same thing. Okay, or 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 groups of 4, 4 groups of 2. Same answers, 8. Okay, see, reverse. 8 to 4, 4 to 8, or 2, 4, 8. Okay, alright, it won't change a bit. Alright, as long as you memorize your table 2, table 3 until table 10. Okay, alright, now let's go to the next one. Let's discover. Okay, now alright, we jump that one. Okay, we skip that one first. Let's do number 3. Anna cuts 12 meter of ribbon into equal pieces. Each piece is 2 meter long. So 12 divided by 2 meter. How many pieces of ribbon does she have? So 12 divided by 2. In table 2, what do you have that have the answer of 12? What times 2 equals 12? The answer is 6. Okay, right. Okay, like this. See, 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 2. So let's see, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many 2's do you see? 6 2's. Okay, 6 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6 pieces. Same thing. So 6 pieces of ribbon you can get when you cut down 12 meter of ribbon into 2 meter each. Okay, so you write here what times 2 equal 12 is 6 times 2. See, the reverse version only. So you write there 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, alright, now don't save. Now let's go to the next one. Let's practice. I will do number 1 and you do the rest by yourself, okay, at home. Alright, put 16 tomatoes into groups of 2. Alright, so now we have only 2 groups. Okay, no need to be confused there. Okay, if you don't remember in table 2 what times 2 equals 16, you can circle down as well. Okay, so there's a how many group? 2 groups. So you just circle these tomatoes into 2 groups. See, there's 1 group. Make sure it's equal. Make sure each group have the same number of tomatoes. Okay, see, 2 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 8 equal 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, or 8 times 2 equals 16. See, same thing. So 16 to 8, 8 to 16. Okay. So how many groups of tomato? There are how many groups? How many groups? The answer is 2 groups. See, 1, 2, 2 groups. But in each group you have 8 tomatoes. So how many times of 8? 2 times of 8. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. Or 8 times 2 equal 16. Okay, alright. So you do the rest by yourself and you take picture and send to me so I can check them. Alright, okay. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, this one we'll do next week. You just do this one first. Okay. Actually, they are all the same for all division. Dividing by 3, 4, 5, and 10. Same thing. Okay, except this time it will be table 3, table 4, table 5, table 10. 2 je. Okay, alright. So if you have any question, you can ask me in Dojo or Skype, up to you. So I'll see you next week. Okay, thank you. Bye.